Good morning, one and all. Myself, Santosh Lakkas. My research topic is synthesis, characterization, and molecular docking of metal ligand complexes based on evaluation of their biological activities. My research guide, Dr. Manoj Sopde sir, and my research center is Maulana Azad College, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. A content of my presentation is as a introduction, importance of topic, present scheme, result and discussion, conclusion, spectra, references and future plan of my work. Introduction. Metal ligand complexes have engendered significant attentions due to their diverse biological activities, including antimicrobial, anti-cancer, and anti-inflammatory properties. This study exposes the synthesis of such complexes, their detailed characterization, and subsequent evaluation of their biological potential through a computational docking studies. Sheep base are derived from sulfonamide derivatives which have been used for the numerous biological applications. The use of zinc, copper, nickel, selenium, bismuth, cadmium, mercury, samarium ions and uranium dioxide sulfonamide sheep base have been reported showing in versatility in a coordination chemistry and medical chemistry. Sheep-based compounds are important due to their wide range of biological activities and industrial applications. They have been found to possess pharmacological activities like anti-malarial, anti-cancer, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-allergic. Sheep-based compounds derive from amino and carbonyl compounds, which are important class of ligand. The coordinate with the metal ions, that is azomethyl nitrogen, reported by the Hugo ships in 1864 and formed by condensation of primary amines with an active carbonyl compound. Generally it takes place under acid base catalysis as with heat. In different life processes, transition metals are involved in the complexes. The metal can coordinate with oxygen and a nitrogen terminus from proteins in variety of metal plays an important role in a conformation and function of biological molecules. Synthesis, characterization, thermal and antimicrobial studies of cobalt, copper, zinc ions complexes of sheep base. The synthesized sheep base are characterized by spectral data, IR, NMR, UV, and mass spectroscopy. Geometry by XRD, followed by elemental analysis of synthesized complexes as percent of carbon, percent of hydrogen, percentage of nitrogen, and percentage of metal. Also ligand metal ligand ratio. Importance of a topic, as the metal ligand complexes have useful reactivity and sensing properties. They are at the core of large number of biologically essential enzymes, and they have also displays a remarkable or superconductivity, optical and magnetic properties in solid state, which together have given a great impetus or encouragement on this topic. The transition metals, chelates that play a key role in a bioinorganic chemistry, and redox enzyme system, which serves as basis of model for active sites in a biologically active compounds. As shown here is my scheme of work. Now here 2H1 benzimidazole 2-vial phenol. This is the ligand first prepared from. In the scheme first, benzimidazole derivatives shows in a scheme first were synthesized by a condensation reaction between O-phenylene diamine and benzaldehyde in the presence of iron acetyl acetonate. The yield obtained after the purification is about 90%. Metal complexes of the benzimidazole derived organic form works were synthesized from metallic salts, that is, in ethanol solvent, a solution in a molar ratio 2 is to 1. And in second scheme, complex containing bisulfonadiazole derivatives were successfully designed and synthesized from 2H1 benzimidazole YL phenol derivatives and corresponding metal salt solution. The compound structures were identified by FTIR and H1 NMR as now here. This is the schemes of both shown in above reactions. The first and second schemes are here. Now, conclusion. In summary, we have demonstrated the simplicity of synthetic strategy of substituted benzimidazole by using the iron acetyl acetonate as an efficient catalyst with the good yield. It was subjected to the condensation followed by dehydration in a one-pot reaction to result the formation of 2-aryl benzathiazole in a 90% yield. Spectra of above scheme is as now. This is the FTIR spectrum of a compound L1, and this is the C13 MNR spectrum about 125 MHz of compound L1 in DMSO. These are the references referred by me for this topic and my research. A future plan of my work is as future plan of work is that this is the first chapter, introduction of metal ligand complexes, how they can act as a drug, the synthesize different type of ligands. Now here we have to sing into reactions or to scheme how can synthesize the ligands. Now, synthesis of metal complexes based on drugs by a docking study from the various softwares, the electronic structures and spectroscopy of electrical and chemical reactivity of biological activities of metal ligand complexes. This is the synthesis of metal ligand complexes as shown now here. Thank you, one and all.